In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize a cookie consent banner on your Wix website. It's important to communicate how cookies on your site are used while also giving visitors control over their privacy preferences. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to be on your Wix dashboard. Once there, navigate to the Settings tab. This is where you can control many aspects of your site. But today, our focus is on privacy and cookies. You'll see a section labeled Privacy and Cookies, which is where we set the stage for our work. Within this section, look for the part about the cookie consent banner. You'll either click Get Started if it's your first time setting this up, or simply toggle the switch to enable the display of the cookie consent banner. You might be prompted to agree to terms here, and you'll want to make sure you do that to proceed. Now, let's move on to customizing your banner and privacy policy. Customizing this banner is crucial because it should seamlessly blend with your site's design. You'll be able to adjust the color theme and style of the button. It's also a good opportunity to craft text that clearly informs your visitors about how your site uses cookies. Transparency is key here. Next, consider adding a Decline All button. This gives your users additional control, allowing them to easily opt out of cookies, ensuring you're respecting their preferences. Creating a privacy policy is another essential step. You'll want to add a new page to your site with a name like Privacy Policy or Cookie Policy, and detail what data is collected and why. This clarity builds trust with your audience. Once your policy page is set up, make sure you link it back to your cookie consent banner. This way, visitors can easily access the information whenever they need it. Additionally, for even more customization, you can enable a cookie settings widget. This is beneficial as it allows site visitors to manage their preferences anytime they wish. This empowers users and is a great addition to your site's functionality. Finally, once everything is customized to your liking, ensure you save and publish your changes. Double-check your settings to confirm everything looks and functions as you intended. Once published, your visitors will know exactly how your site handles cookies, and they'll have the ability to manage their preferences as they see fit. And there you have it. Setting up a cookie consent banner on Wix is straightforward once you know the steps. With these features in place, you can provide transparency and build trust with your audience while complying with data protection regulations. Thanks for joining me today to learn about this essential site setup. Don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher.